How to transfer money from Bank of America to another bank. To get started, launch a browser and search for Bank of America, or open the Bank of America app. Once logged in, you'll see an interface like this. To transfer money, click on Transfer, and then select the account you want to send money from, or another account linked to your Bank of America account. Tap on that account, then tap Make Transfer. In this section, you'll need to enter your own account name or number, then add the recipient's account, which can be an external bank account as well. Enter the amount, frequency, and description of the transfer. This is an important step, so make sure not to miss anything. After reviewing all the details, click on the Transfer button to send money from your Bank of America account to another bank. Once the transfer is successful, you'll receive a receipt confirming the transfer. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.